This video is going to present something which is found in nature, and it's amazing. It's the skull bone of a fish known as the Crucifix Fish or the Gafftopsail Catfish. It's made by the hand of God in nature. It's not man-made or altered in any way by anybody, and it's said to bring good fortune and protection from anyone who possesses one. You can see mine are from 4 to 5 inches long. Each is unique and different. No two are alike. And there's the legend of the Crucifix Fish. I'll put this on here for your screen so you can read it. And you can find out more about it by Googling Crucifix Fish, Cape Coral, Florida, CAPECORALFL, Crucifix Fish, CRUCIFIX Fish, Image of Jesus. It's Crucifix, Image of Jesus, Cape Coral, Florida. Just Google that phrase and you should be able to find out more about this item. Now here's a close-up picture of it, or close-ups. You can see mine are just under 5 inches. This one's a little bit different. You can tell the bottom of that one is a little bit different. No two are alike. Once again, it's a miracle of nature, and I have one, and I've had quite a bit of luck recently. I've won the lottery a couple times for small amounts. I go to bingo often, and I win there all the time. So this is it. So try to find out more about it and how to get one by googling that phrase, Crucifix Fish, Cape Coral, Florida, Image of Jesus.